Hi everyone, welcome to another lecture series of 369 CRT. This is the second part of the lecture series. If you didn't watch the first lecture, go and watch that one. After completing that, get on this lecture because everything is connected from A to B. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about types of CRT. We have done a introduction of CRT, and the second lecture is based on types of CRT. And we are going to discuss about two types like A and B. In A, the types of CRT is based on candles. I divide into two. It's based on time, like which time we are trading. That's what I designed for the B. And A is about what are the types of candle types in CRT. First one, classical 3 candle CRT. Second one, inside bar CRT. The third one, 2 candle CRT. The fourth one, 2 candle purge CRT. Everyone is familiar with classical 3 candle CRT. It was the sell candle, accumulation candle, manipulation candle, and distribution candle. Everyone is familiar with this one. This is the candles. In the previous lecture, we said our CRT is market makers model. Are you thinking about like that? And sell curve to the buy curve or buy curve to the sell curve. That is actually mean by a market makers model. If you not watched the introduction video about CRT, you will not get about the market makers model what I talking. CRTs which is used for the higher time frame market makers model. This different types of market makers model of CRT is 4-hour, daily candle, weekly candle, monthly candle, 3-month candle, 6-month candle. This is all about CRT. 4-hour candle CRT is my one of the favorite candle to trade. It can be a day trade. This one in the 4-hour, I buy candle. Sorry, one buy candle or one sell candle is enough to push to find using a good risk management. By using a good risk management, you can get fund in 4-hour. We have no stress. We have more liquidity in 4-hour time window or 4-hour chart. In this 369 lecture series, we will learn about how to trade a high RR by using the time mathematics. Okay, now all of one have the same repeated questions in your mind. Why you use time mathematics and how to use that one, and how can we find that what the right time or the wrong time or the right time to play the perfect role in the trading? It's simple. Actually, what you see in the market, like I will show what I've seen. What you're seeing in your market is candles. The buy candle, the sell candle, the sell candle, the buy candle, the sell candle. This is the market, and in x-axis what you see, the time, and y-axis what you see, the price. That is the time, the price. Nothing about the time, then price. Its time is always constant, and price varies when it reaching the each positions. Whatever today here, like when it's Friday's 9 a.m., the price was in 1.15475. When it's come to Thursday 9 a.m., it was in 1.15545. That was price is not constant, whether the time is always constant. That's why we trade the CRT which is based on time than the price. So that's why I'm calling that time mathematics. Why we will have to keep patience in trading. Exactly, we want to keep patience for the exact time to place trading. And now I'm not talking about the macros, and it's all about the manipulations. Every candle has manipulation. It's open, low, or it makes high. There is a manipulation. That is our key time. We want to know about which time is getting the manipulation, which time we want to enter, which time is the manipulation time. That is our exact time for the trading. Everyone know about like market is controlled by time and price, not price and time. It's always time then price. Okay, fine. We will discuss more in-depth details about the time in the coming lecture. Now we can focus on the types of CRT. Okay, the second type of the CRT is daily CRT, and the third type is weekly CRT. The fourth type is monthly candle, and the fifth one is 3 month candle. Like January, February month is an accumulation. April, May, June can be a manipulation. July, August, September can be a distribution. November, December can be a closing or continuation, just like that. It's the last four one, the peoples which take the monthly candle, the 3 month candle, the 6 month candles is for the position traders. If you're a day trader, just focus on the 4 hour candle. I like the 4 hour candle because more of the liquidities are resting on the sections and each previous day's highs and lows, and 4 hour gaps, 4 hour imbalance, 4 hour fair value gaps, 4 hour IFEGs, 4 hour order blocks. There is many things to trade in 4 hour candle. Only we want to stress about 4 hour. Just like if you are trading in the 1 a.m. candle, just stress about 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. If our entry was good, it's enough enough to trade a 1 hour 1 a.m. candle is enough. For daily candle, we want to wait for the 3 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe a classical three candle. Or if we're trading in the inside bar candle, just want to wait for the Monday, and second day want to be inside bar, or Wednesday can be inside bar, Thursday can be a purge, Friday can be a reversal. While in trading in daily candle, it also time taking. When it's 4 hour candle, it's cool and we can trade. I use the 4 hour candle to trade the short term. These other resting five of them I use for the price movements, what the price is going to do in 4 hour candle, by using monthly candle, by using weekly candle, by analyzing the daily candle. I know what the shit is going to happen in 4 hour candle. So trade is planned according to the 4 hour candle, by the knowing what daily has been done and what is weekly going to done and what is going to monthly has been done. Everything is connected because price is fractal. It's all about you. Okay, if you want to choose any type of CRT, you can according to your trading style. If you are a day trader, you can choose the 4 hour candle. If you are a position trader, you can choose weekly candle and monthly candle. It's up to you. I just focus on the 4 hour time window. I trade one trade per day, always in 1 a.m. and 9 a.m. I trade in mostly in NQ for the 9 a.m., for the 9:30 opening and the 9:30 manipulation. Then I trade. It's done. Nothing. I want nothing more. So I focus on the 4 hour candles. I just more we focus on the 4 hour candle, we get more information about 4 hour chart. We why we I use the 4 hour. I choose the trading as a career, not printing money. I want to be success in long term. That's why I choose trading. I choose trading for the freedom. Literally imagine what time I enter into the chart and make some profit or loss, accept the loss or accept the profit, and the rest of the day what do you want to do, what do you want to like to do, just did. That's trading is like that. It's like a business. Okay, so many people are chasing one candle, then are going to the another chart, then chasing the another candle, then chasing the another candle, going. That's the bad idea or a bad approach for the market. We want consistent. Okay, so be disciplined and consistent. By discipline you will become success. Okay. Okay, let's back to our topic. This was the major types of CRT. I will show the image of the CRT. The first one is the three candle, classical three candle. This is the accumulation candle. This is the manipulation. Have you seen? It's close inside the range for confirming the CRT. We enter from here. We will enter. We will learn how to enter from here. Okay, you don't worry about that. We will enter how we can enter from here. We will learn in this series and distribute. This is the classical three candle CRT. This was the inside bars candle CRT, the accumulation candle. Nothing has been purged in the opposite direction or in the opposite direction. Just wait Just wait, and the purge. This is the patience. This is the patience which has been building here. Purge, boom. Have you seen the volatile of this market? Purge and push higher. Okay, the look on the closing. The first candle, the second candle, look, sorry, fourth candle has been closed inside the range of the candle range low of the first accumulation candle. This is the CRT candle inside bar the CRT. Purge has been happen. Push higher. We can see another CRT right over here. Like, have you seen this one? This is the accumulation candle and the manipulation. Here we have an FVG. Like we have an FVG and the purge. We end right over here. Here distribute. We got a sell and we got a buy. That's a 4 hour. We can trade here and here. We get both entries. We only enter on the time. That's the first main thing. Okay, let's move to the third type of CRT candle, two candle CRT. The accumulation candle, the manipulation and distribution is so fast. Why the two? I like two candle CRT mostly. Most of the time, the one aim is act like a two candle CRT. It's speed high, velocity high, speed. The market has been displayed slower. It was, and I like inside bar CRT. Why? Because the moment is so much speed in this scenario. The first of all thing, we need a key level. We will learn what are the key levels I use. I will teach you what are the key levels you use and what are the key levels you want to look, and how to compress the key levels for the 4 hour trading. We will discuss about that, so don't worry about the key levels. We will discuss everything about the key levels. And the fourth one is two purge candle CRT. This is the first purge, and it is didn't complete the 50% of the CRT. Here be the 50%. This market app opens here, right over here. Market opens here, low, high, close. The purge. This is our the first push, but it didn't go to the 50%. If the 50% has been done, I'm done. I will close my partials and set as break even. It didn't go, and this was our another turtle soup has been occur. We will learn turtle soup in a lecture. I will release the lecture soon. You will learn about that, the turtle soup, how to find the turtle soup, what is the real meaning of turtle soup. It means about the fake breakout. We will learn about that in depth detail about turtle soup in advance. Okay, you don't worry about that. This might be our 50 percentage. I'm thinking it's didn't tap, it's going to the another. This was taken, so we can enter here. And what also what we look for, this liquidity. Here is a liquidity and here is a liquidity. We close the push partials, we close the partials. Look on that market, tap on that market, displays higher. Why? There is a liquidity and this is a gap. There is a gap inside that. So what do you do here? This is the candle for the accumulation. We can trade, sorry, we can't trade like that. Okay, so we want to wait for the another purge. Here the purge has been occur here and push lower. That was the main thing in the two candle purge CRT. Now you have got a main idea about the types of CRT, what are the types of CRT was included, and what are the types of CRTs based on the time and the candles. Now after watching this series, go to your chart and shift the different time windows and see the CRT, and in daily, 4 hour, weekly, monthly, what the CRT is playing and how this candle is played. Okay, your job is like that. You can also use 1 hour CRT, but it was more noise and I'm not using that one. If you want to use to trade that, you just go through it, you can trade. It's all about your system, what system and what structure you are using is applicable for every system. Our system is based on time, so it's applicable for in every system. Nothing to worry about that like that. Okay, so today's lecture is too little topic about types of CRT. It's too little, but it is important. It is important. You want to know about the structure of market or the structure of candles. That's why we discuss the types of CRT. Okay, without the CRT you cannot found a good setup in CRT. If you have the mind of CRT, what the CRT is going to do and what the CRT is playing, what the CRT is happening to go like that. So that's why we discuss about the CRT types of CRT. Mainly I like inside bar CRT, why it contains more liquidity and which is resting inside or outside the ranges, so it has more liquidity and it moves high speed, like you have seen the push higher. That is, so many of them have question what is mean by liquidity. Wow, it's simple. The imbalance like FVGs and highs and lows which are contain more liquidities. The highs and lows I mentioned here about daily, weekly, monthly. Okay, why? Because in weekly candle, if it was a bearish, the sellers put their SL or break even in the previous highs of the weekly candle, so market have a tendency to take that previous week high. If you think this is the previous week high and previous week low, the market have a tendency to take that high, because the most of the sellers which has been stopped there put their SL, and so many of them have the break even right over here, so market has been pushed that move a fake movement of a turtle soup like that and push higher without like not like this, without not ranging, push higher. It's more volatile. That's why the previous 3 days highs and lows. Okay, the previous three days highs and lows, previous weekly highs and lows, previous monthly highs and lows, it is more liquidity which is resting above or below of the high and lows. So it is more liquidity, it is more important in the market. Always there is a liquidity. Okay, this is all about types of CRT and liquidity. It's not a big topic and it's necessary topic if you are a trader, you want to know about the liquidity and types of CRT. Hope everyone enjoyed this class, and we will meet another lecture in the coming days. We will talk ranges in the another lecture. Next lecture we will talk about the ranges. I'm still, I hope this lecture will be helpful for everyone. As soon as we will release our new chapter within next month, we will release, and we will end this complete CRT series in 2 months. I'm planning for the 2 month series, and you will get the idea how the price is moving and the price is going to do, and you will get the how to trade the LTF by using the time note. Like, time is only one component or be a factor in trading, nothing about the price. If you are someone is saying about the price is everything, the price patterns, I'm not trading in the price patterns. I'm not trading the price patterns, I'm trading in the time, the time with the price patterns. Okay, that was our main topic. That's how I will release this lecture. What have I learned, what are my concepts, what I learned from market, that's what I discussing with you. So be safe. Thanks you everyone, we will meet in another lecture video. Take Be safe.